$250,000 per tank. And so this kind of technology that we were able to create in making a problem to solve other people's problems is what keeps us special.
I'm lucky that I was able to come into a company that had 22 people, and we operated in 15,000 feet. Now over time we've grown to about 200 people and 250,000 square feet. And earlier we had somebody was talking about reshoring. Well, during my almost 30 years with this company, never did I think about moving offshore. I know I could have made more money. I know I could have made my company more successful, but never did it enter my mind, because I'm very lucky that I have a great workforce. I have people working there 30, 40 years. I have children of employees. I just have a wonderful group of people that I feel responsible for. And I just want their lives to get better and better and better. And if I went offshore, they'd be out of a job. So thank you very much, and I appreciate it very much. Don and Brad, thank you. You've done a great job. Really appreciate it.